5 simple steps to winning cleaning contracts. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Having the knowledge and skills of winning cleaning contracts is the first step to growing a successful cleaning business. Getting contracts is never easy, irrespective of the industry you are in. In the cleaning industry, it is a tad more difficult due to the increasing crowd of businesses. We understand how difficult and time-consuming this can be. Nonetheless, we know that winning contracts is pertinent to the growth of your business. In fact, cleaning companies that operate on a contractual basis have been proven to be more successful than others. We hope these 5 simple steps to winning cleaning contracts will help you reach your goal. Of course, we will leave you with the bonus at the end of the video. So, stay glued. 1. Engage with local professional groups. Connecting with your local groups and companies to establish rapport on a professional level, whether through exchanging contacts or collaborating on an advertising campaign, is a terrific approach to gain access to new clientele. Another great option is partnering with businesses that sell related products and services. This means they are related to the cleaning industry, but not your direct competitors' real estate agencies. This will open doors for more contracts since they deal with properties. 2. Use testimonials to your advantage. When it comes to winning cleaning contracts and growing your cleaning company's professional reputation, testimonials are valuable assets to have. Why? We always recommend testimonials because we have seen what good it does. Before contacting you, visitors do a thorough research of your business and services, including what others say about you. This could be the deciding factor between booking an appointment or going to your competitor. 3. Create a digital footprint. Customers seeking professional cleaning companies frequently use the web to search for various cleaning providers. As a result, they are more likely to choose a cleaning company with a strong online presence compared to others. This is because a strong online presence shows your credibility, thus helping them trust you more. Design your digital footprint to show overall information about the company, types of services offered, including special ones, and a list of prices for your services. Leveraging your consumer reviews and testimonials too should help promote your business. 4. Make yourself stand out from your competition. Cleaning is a highly competitive industry, so you'll need to stand out from the crowd, and one way to implement this is to offer both regular and specialized value-added cleaning services, as well as discounts and referral reward programs, as a token of appreciation. Because loyal and satisfied customers can be a great source for winning professional cleaning contracts. 5. Figure out who your ideal clients are. Your cleaning services may be required by a variety of industries, including small and large businesses, factories, stores, educational establishments, hospitals, and others. Every one of these industries has distinct cleaning requirements that may include the use of specialized materials, technology, or adherence to certain health regulations. Creating a marketing plan that is completely focused on your areas of expertise and positioning yourself as an expert in those chosen areas will set you apart from your competition and greatly enhance your chances of winning cleaning contracts. Bonus: thoroughly study the competition. Ensure you're aware of who your competitors are and what distinct services they are providing their customers to enable you to improve. This is the best way to gain a competitive edge over them. You must be prepared to persuade customers to believe that your services are superior to those offered by your competitors. Informing them that you have greater industry experience and can provide the numerous sorts of services that their businesses want. Winning cleaning contracts may not be easy, but it certainly is possible. Once you master what is required and adhere to these instructions, you will be amazed at how easily you close contracts. Put in the effort. For more assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Want more tips? Check out our previous video, 5 eco-friendly cleaning tips you should start using right now. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.